Did you know that small nuclear reactors, also known as SMRs, are a rising star in the world of energy production? These powerhouses are compact, roughly the size of a large van, yet pack a powerful punch. Their main allure lies in their ability to provide clean, reliable power, making them a promising solution for our future energy needs. But just like a coin has two sides, these technological marvels aren't all roses. But as with any new technology, SMRs aren't without their problems. When comparing SMRs to other energy sources, it's important to consider the whole picture. Let's start with renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. They're green, sustainable, and have minimal waste, but they also depend heavily on weather conditions and require substantial land use. Next we have coal. It's reliable and abundant, but it's also a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and mining can be hazardous. Traditional nuclear reactors, on the other hand, can produce massive amounts of energy with minimal carbon emissions, yet they come with their own set of challenges such as high construction costs and the risk of catastrophic failures. Now let's consider small modular reactors, or SMRs. They promise to deliver nuclear power with less risk and more flexibility, but they're not without their challenges. High upfront costs, managing and disposing of nuclear waste, and the need for strong regulatory frameworks can pose significant hurdles. So while SMRs have a lot of potential, they also have a long way to go. Now let's delve into the top 5 problems with small nuclear reactors. First, we have the high upfront costs. Constructing a small nuclear reactor is no small feat. From land acquisition to the actual construction, the costs can quickly pile up. This makes the initial investment quite hefty, which can deter potential investors. Next, there's the difficulty of managing and disposing of nuclear waste. Unlike other types of waste, nuclear waste is highly radioactive and poses a significant risk to both the environment and human health. Safe storage and disposal methods are complex and costly, adding another layer of challenge. Third, we have the risk of nuclear proliferation. Small nuclear reactors, by their very nature, involve the use of nuclear materials. If these materials fall into the wrong hands, the consequences could be catastrophic. Fourth, there's the lack of a proven track record. While small nuclear reactors show promise, they are still relatively new and untested. This makes it hard to predict their long-term performance and reliability. Finally, we have the challenge of public acceptance. Nuclear energy has had a tumultuous history, and many people are understandably nervous about the idea of living near a nuclear power plant. Gaining public trust and acceptance is a significant hurdle that needs to be overcome. Despite these challenges, the future of SMRs is still bright, but it will require careful management and regulation.